हीरोइन अच्छा क्लासिकल डांस जानती है, वो एक्टिंग बड़ा अच्छा करती हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल ये आप हो गई, श्रीदेवी जी हो गई, वैजयंती माला जी हो गई, तो आपका क्या कहना है इसके बारे में?
क्योंकि अभिनय ये जब आप डांस सीखते हैं क्लासिकल डांस, तो उसका एक बहुत बड़ा हिस्सा होता है अभिनय, जहाँ बिना कुछ कहे आपको इमोशन दिखाना है, चाहे वो कोई औरत मटकी लेके जा रही हो या कुछ छेड़छाड़ हो, कृष्णा राधा, तो एक्सप्रेशंस जो होते हैं वो ऑलरेडी आप सीखते हैं थ्रू डांसिंग। और जब आप कैमरा के सामने खड़े रहते हैं टू एक्ट फॉर अ सीन, तो वो सब जो चीज़ें आप सीखे हुए हैं वो काम में आते हैं, तभी यू अप्लाई देम एट दैट टाइम। एंड आई थिंक इट इज़ अ गुड थिंग टू लर्न क्लासिकल, क्योंकि उसमें सभी तरह से आपको बहुत कुछ सीखने मिलता है एक्टिंग के बारे में।
क्या बात है? The lady there, yes ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. This is Mandana from Film India, and congratulations for the launch of with video connectivity DTH. My question is, somebody who want to do professionally, take up dance with learning with you. So, what sort of a marketplace will be created for them, ma'am?
You know, this question I will hand to my husband because he is better and more equipped at answering your question.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, it's a great question. Our vision was to create an ecosystem or platform where everyone could come from all levels. The entry level is when you go out to the masses and the last mile with this platform, D2H, and others like it, as well as our online platform. But this by no means replaces the established schools. In fact, what it does is it organizes them and it gives them integrity. Because in our view, it's a very fragmented services market, and you don't know what you're getting when you go and sign up for a lesson. And so what we've tried to do is bring the best and brightest together and allow them to speak with their faces and their movements and everything, and then bring people on in a gamified and socialized fashion to get excited and passionate about the medium. That, we hope, will parlay then into the whole cycle of life, where they'll start to learn and maybe even go on professionally. And there are other academies, for instance, Terrence and other people, who actually only teach professionals. So them being part of this endeavor actually moves towards the same effort, which is to raise the bar. Because art for the sake of art is something as a society which is very hard to sustain. And what we've tried to do with this endeavor is to make art for the sake of art sustainable, but also to make learning on a principle level, whether it's in music, whether it's in dancing, whether it's in acting, whether it's in healthcare, whether it's in cricket, all sustainable. So these are the platforms we're going into, but this is the start.
All right, there's a lady on my left-hand side. Yes, ma'am. You got a big smile on your face. You're going to be a good student for this one, huh?
Hi, my question is to Madhuri, ma'am. Ma'am, you started dance with Madhuri on Tata Sky, and now you have moved on to Videocon D2H. So, are you taking dance with Madhuri to all digital DTH services?
Well, I want to reach out to as many people as I can, and I will employ any method in which I can do that. So, I want maximum people to take advantage of this, and we will go to the maximum people the way which we can do it. But this question can also be answered by Ram.
You know, you're defined by the company you keep. And the types of relationships we've enjoyed with Videocon, with some of the other vendors, have been phenomenal. And some of that comes back to our integrity in the field and the people we hang out with. So our vision is this, that if you want to learn, and you want to learn on a very honest and hardworking level, then we want to be the people who take it to you. And the medium in which it comes to you, the distribution platform, should not matter. It should just have outstanding attributes to it, like this one, right? And so whether it's on this one or the other partners we have, I think we've consistently shown that the quality will always be there. And that's what you can trust in. And hence we're here today and very proud of it.
All right, we're going to have one more question. And then after that, we're going to have some interesting things coming up. All right, the lady there. Hello, ma'am. Hi.
If we learn dance from internet, So we can replay the dance at a particular point. We can replay again and again. But with Videocon D2H, is this possible?
There will be, it's a channel. So just like you have repeats in a channel, so if there is a lesson at 6 o'clock, it will repeat after 3 to 4 hours time. So you have multiple occasions during the day to catch up on that same lesson. And after a few weeks, that same lesson comes back, of course, with a lesser number of repeats. So in case you have missed one, maybe you are traveling or you were not at home at that time, that day, you can catch up with it. There's a schedule which is published on the channel, so you will know what is going on. But no, unlike this is not internet. This is a linear broadcast. Can you stop the cricket ball and watch the 4 again? No, unless the channel gives it to you. So it's the same way. It gets repeat. Of course, you can watch the highlights later on. It's similar to that.
Good afternoon. I'd like to ask Madhuri Dixit. बायोपिक का ज़माना है. अगर आपकी लाइफ पर बायोपिक बनती है तो किस कलाकार को वो रोल करना चाहिए और क्यों?
नहीं, अभी बहुत जल्दी है. बायोपिक इतने में नहीं बनेगी. अभी बहुत कुछ करना है before they make the biopic.
ये आखिरी प्रश्न था. Thank you so much.